Huge news. The UK government just did something unthinkable. NHS England is officially being abolished, and in its place, artificial intelligence will now be in charge of healthcare. The question is this a groundbreaking revolution in medicine, or the beginning of a dystopian nightmare? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this will affect you, your family, and possibly the entire world. The NHS has been struggling for years. Over 7.6 million people on waiting lists, critical staff shortages, financial collapse, over £250 billion in debt, emergency rooms overcrowded, hospitals on the brink. Instead of fixing the problem, the government decided to replace it entirely with AI-driven healthcare. But here's the real twist. This isn't just about fixing delays. This is about privatization, control, and data mining. Who benefits the most from this? Let's expose the players behind this move. Follow the money, and you'll find the truth. 1. Google's DeepMind Health AI, already working with UK hospitals, now set to control diagnosis and patient data. 2. Amazon Health AI, pushing AI-powered medical chatbots and private insurance integration. 3. US private insurance giants. They've been waiting for the NHS to collapse so they can bring AI-based for-profit healthcare to the UK. If you think AI will give you free healthcare, think again. AI will analyze your health, but it will also control your access to treatment. If AI thinks you're too expensive to treat, you might not get treatment at all. And it gets worse. So how exactly will AI run healthcare? Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it's happening. Step 1. AI triage and virtual doctors. But no more human general practitioners, GPs. 2. AI chatbots diagnose illnesses. 3. AI decides who gets emergency care. Step 2. AI hospitals. 1. Robotic surgeries instead of human surgeons. 2. Automated nursing systems. 3. AI-controlled drug prescriptions. Step 3. AI health insurance and payments. 1. If AI detects you're high risk, you may be denied coverage. 2. Your data could be sold to private health companies. The biggest issue? AI can be biased, meaning misdiagnoses for minorities, women, and older patients. So what happens if AI denies you treatment? Let's talk about the risks and dangers. Here's why this could be one of the biggest mistakes in modern history. Privacy violations. 1. AI scans your medical history, lifestyle, and even DNA. 2. This data can be sold, hacked, or used against you. No human oversight. 1. If AI misdiagnoses you, there's no doctor to appeal to. 3. AI bias. 1. AI is not perfect. It can make wrong decisions based on incomplete data. Healthcare becomes a business, not a right. 1. AI could prioritize profit over people. 2. If AI decides you're too expensive, you could be denied care. This isn't just about the UK. Other countries are watching this closely. If this works, AI-driven healthcare will spread worldwide. But who's really behind the AI revolution? Let's expose it. Spoiler alert, it's not you. The UK government? They're shifting control to AI to save billions in healthcare costs. Big tech? They now own your health data, the most valuable commodity on Earth. Insurance companies? They can now charge you higher premiums based on AI risk analysis. And what happens if you can't afford AI-driven healthcare? 1. You get left behind. 2. AI decides who lives longer and who doesn't. Here's what you need to do to protect yourself. 1. Demand transparency. Governments must regulate AI healthcare, not just give control to corporations. 2. Fight for human oversight. AI can assist but should not replace doctors entirely. 3. Protect your data. Don't let big tech control your entire medical history. If we don't act now, AI-driven healthcare will become a global reality. And here's the scariest part. This is just the beginning of AI taking over critical parts of society. Do you trust AI to run healthcare? Comment below and let's discuss. Before you go, like if you think AI should never fully control medicine. Subscribe to AI Horizon Daily. We expose the AI revolution every day. Turn on notifications so you never miss out. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the AI revolution.